Förmodligen no V-sync. I put censorship because I don't know where this loads. Then we go same place, daylight. Let's check settings. Yes, settings are. I didn't check the form. $215. It's less than in Summercar. There is a lot more content. I wonder if there is something else we can test. Performance vision. Yes, most likely all that 100. Apart from adding Amis cars to the Kame, there is already everything in the Kame. Or I mean more Amis cars. There is already Amis cars, but more Amis cars. There is already everything in the Kame that is resource taking. I wonder what there is here. A tractor. A tractor. I am very slave. There is also winter. Winter! Christmas time! It's Christmas time! Lovely Christmas time. There is Horde. What is here? 5-speed manual gearbox. This here, tires. Lots of tires. You have seen these in Summercar. The traditional tuning rim. Worn out summer tire, that's pretty good idea in winter. What else? Gearbox. This is my save I have been playing for years. No, well, not years. But very long time. And I haven't gotten anywhere, like you can see, I don't have even tires installed to my car. More tires. I am planning to put racing tires to other rims and winter tires to other rims, but I don't have money. As you can see, I have 85 marks. 85 marks. This is what I try to survive, and I think that yes, I have the pipes frozen also because I didn't have money to buy the electric bill. So there's no electricity here. I have energy drink. fridge which is off because I don't have electricity and pipes are frozen. Basically what I'm doing, I'm living like a hobo. Living like a hobo. Yes, water is frozen, but I have beer and energy drinks. Beer and energy drinks. Experience the intimidating energy drink. I'm sleepy. Very sleepy. Here I have nothing. I have this beeping thing. It works because batteries. I don't need electricity for this. Does this work? It should not work probably. I don't know. It's cold because I don't have heating. And my outside clothing are, I don't know where it is. Where is the car? It's here. Car is here behind me. Oh. It's completely not built. Here is automatic transmission stick. Here is brake master cylinder. Here is automatic pedals. Here is all sorts of parts. I'm trying to make something useful out of this. Like you see, I haven't been able to build the engine even, because I don't have all the parts. There is automatic transmission. Here is flex plate for it. Not very organized. Thermostat. I have a thermostat here. I can enjoy thermostat because I don't have anything else. It has the same engine sound as in the trailer. Ei kai se automaatti vaikuta siihen korjaamisen kestoon mitään. Mutta tässä on nyt eri systeemi tässä Wintercarissa sillä, että se korjauksen kesto perustuu siihen, mitä palveluja siltä tilataan. Se lasketaan sen perusteella sitten. Se ei ole niinku Summercarissa, että se on aina se sama. Nyt se perustuu siihen palvelutyyppiin. Yes, there is rear axle. It has a code as SB. That means the B means that it has limited slip differential, and the S means the ratio, but I don't know what S is, what ratio is. But it's first letter is ratio, and the second letter is if it has a LSD or not. I don't know if this is original axle to the car. I check the VIN. I'll check the VIN. I'll check the VIN here. It seems to have a SA, so I don't have the original rear actually. This has a SA, meaning same radio but open differently. Oh, this is automatic. This is pretty rare. I did not know this was automatic because I didn't check. Yeah, so it's automatic. It also has a lot of options. Almost every option here available. It's missing one option. I don't remember what the last one is. This is pretty. Also the type or the vehicle version. I don't remember the G. The version G. I don't remember. What was it? It's the trim. The version means the trim. It has a four trims. I don't remember what the G was. You get manual, VIN decoder manual in the Game. I haven't decided how you get it, but you will get that. Then you can check the decode the VIN. But one thing what was cool with this car was that it has a blue interior. It's very rare. Blue interior is very rare. And it seems to be red. Red with blue interior. I am installing manual transmission to this because I don't want to deal with the automatic. Maybe I install the automatic some other time. Oh, it has a vinyl roof. It's a vinyl roof. Here is ventilation box. No spoilataan nyt sitten. Mikäs siinä nyt spoilataan? Yeah, it has a spoiler, but it's not original for this car. There are so many options in this car. I don't have electricity. Can't. I don't have a crank. I don't have money to buy a crank. So that's it. I have a one piston. This is the terrible reality of this Game. This is your project. You never going to finish the car. It's just I have been playing this for months and months and months, and this is all I got. A mess. A mess. I have only one piston. What is the condition even of this piston? It's worn out, as you can see. It has those marks, stretch marks, or what are those? Scratch marks. It's worn out piston. Almost completely useless. Is there some other parts. The camshaft looks fine. This I can use. That's it. I can use the camshaft. Good thing. Tässä on niin kova uudelleenpelauspotentiaali, että Mutta ei ole helppo. Ei ole helppo peli, voin kyllä sanoa. Termostaat. Tee lisää termostaat. Also, the springs have a rating now. It has the ride height and the rate. This is 5.5 inch spring with 300 pounds of rating. And the fun thing is that you can put all the springs in every corner of the car. Because it has a coil springs in front and rear. No, Fahrenheit and pounds it should be. Front upper control arm. I haven't been able to put the axles in front or axles in tires in rear or tires in front because I don't have the parts. I don't have the parts. I cannot do anything. Well, I can put this one on. That's it. Like so. Yes, valves are inside the head by default. I don't have plans to separate the valves. It would not be impossible with this. Now that I don't need connecting rods. No connecting rods, but the valve rods. I don't need those. Maybe I could separate the valves at some point. Mulla on ruuvit. Ei kun ruuviäänet, mun niitä ei kytketty, koska toi on muuttunut toi pulttausjärjestelmä. Elikkäs. Mä oon nyt ihan läpeensä väsynyt, kello on 4. Mä oon niin väsynyt mitä ihminen voi olla. Ja kello on 4, katsotaan miten kauan mä nukun. Ei kun niin, tässä ei voi nukkua kun on liian kylmä. Mä voin nukkua täällä talossa kun täällä ei ole lämmitystä. No, cannot sleep, too cold. But I can drink energy. Look at that! The fatigue, it has cut off the ultimate tyrant. Now I don't have to sleep. Jolla ei oo tölkkiä äänitehosteita vielä. The sound of bear opening is the sound of bear opening. What? No eipä oo kyllä uusia biisejä. I could warm up the house with this, but the woods are other place. I don't have nothing. No se on joo, kyllä se avaruustanssi on siellä. Okay, so you want a gun opening sound? We can do that. Mihin se meni se järviradi? We can do the gun opening sound. Little moment.
Tänään täällä myös uutisoitu 11.9. otsikolla epäily. Yli 100 ihmistä joutunut
Little moment.
Ja poliisi tavoitti 140 marjapoimijaa.
No, I don't record because I don't have the systems for that. At this point.
Poliisi epäilee, että marjanpoimijat joutui ihmiskaupan uhriksi kahtena satokausina vuotena 2022 ja 2023. Marjanpoimijat joutuivat Suomessa olosuhteisiin, joita he eivät odottaneet ja he velkaantuivat. Poliisin mukaan
Very slow.